The first step to use the camera is to install the battery and memory card. If you find they cannot be inserted, you need to install them in another direction. To turn on the camera, press the power button. After startup, you need to confirm the formatting of the memory card. Once formatted, you can start shooting. The dial button in the upper left corner allows you to select between photo and video recording modes. Press the menu button to enter the menu settings. The initial interface shows camera shooting/recording settings. Press the right button to access the camera system settings, where you can enable the Wi-Fi function. When taking photos, use the left-right buttons to switch filters, the flash button to turn on the flash, and the album button to browse previously taken photos. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp.